Hello, welcome to my kitchen. I will give you the dessert recipe today. Since my dough needs to be rested, I start my recipe by preparing the dough first. I take 500 grams of semolina in my bowl, add 2 glasses of yogurt to it. You can use the juicy part of your yogurt. I use 1 teaspoon of baking soda. For the carbonate to show itself, I squeeze a few drops of lemon juice on it and add it. Add 1 pack of baking soda and mix it well with the help of a spatula. I take the mortar I prepared on my square tray where I lubricate it, and I place it with a spatula. To make my dessert look smoother, I wet the spatula a little, and I make it look flat. I rest my dessert in the refrigerator for 1 hour. I rested my dessert for 1 hour. I'm applying some molasses to make it blush well. Molasses both flavors and blushes very well. If you want, you can not use molasses. After applying the molasses, I scratch it intermittently. But we definitely don't cut to the bottom. I draw with a knife just to show the lines on it. After shaping my dessert, I decorate the parts I cut with peanuts without salt. Instead of unsalted peanuts, you can also use peeled almonds. I cook in a preheated 180-degree oven until it blushes well. Honey, I'm preparing your sherbet while it's cooking. I bought 4 cups of sugar in my pot. Add 4 cups of water. Stir until the sugar dissolves and boil for 15 minutes when it starts to boil. After my sherbet starts to boil, I add half a lemon juice. Honey is cooked. After the first temperature is gone, I cut my dessert from scratches to the base. I especially want to mention that it is not a soft dessert. It is a dessert with a slightly more solid structure. I'm slowly pouring the hot sherbet on my dessert. I rest my dessert for 2 to 3 hours. Honey rested, but my advice to you in these desserts is to keep it for 1 night. It gets better consistency. That's all from me for today. Bon appetit in advance to those who will try. Subscribe to my channel. Please don't forget to leave a comment and like. See you in new and practical recipes. Goodbye.